Hello, this is Matt with Modern School Bus. In this video, we are looking at how to create a drop-down list in Excel. So drop-down lists will force a user to select from a list of options instead of entering into cells manually. So this is useful when you want to control data entries in certain cells, and it's also very easy to learn. So you can learn this in just a few minutes. So let's get started. In this video, we are looking at how to create a drop-down list in Excel. So here what I have is different products, and I have the department that the product belongs to. And what I want to do is make it so that this is a drop-down list where the user can select from a list of pre-selected values. And so what I'm going to do is add a drop-down list in this cell. And so to do this, what I need to do is first add my list of values that I want the user to select from in a spot in Excel. So I can do this in the same sheet. I can also do this in a different sheet. In this example, I'm going to add my list to sheet 2. So my drop-down list is going to be the departments that these products belong to. So I'm going to have 4 entries here. I'm going to do clothing, kitchen, home, and I will do outdoor. So then what I'm going to do after I've created my list is go back to my file, and I want the drop down list to be able to be selected from these cells. So what I'm going to do is highlight these cells, and we're going to go in the top here, we're going to select data validation. From here I'm going to select this drop down and set this to list, and then source. So I'm going to click into here, and then I'm going to click back to my sheet 2, and here is my source. It's this cell range, and then I'm going to press OK. And now you will see when I select any one of these cells, there's this small arrow that appears. So when I click this arrow, now I have a drop-down list where I can select the values that I put in this cell range earlier. So now I can classify all of these with this drop-down list. And that is how you make a drop-down list in Excel. As you can see, it is very simple and very easy to do, and it's very useful in a lot of different situations. So that is it for this video. As always, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching the video. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I'm also going to place a link in the description of the video where you can subscribe to my email newsletter to get free updates and lessons sent straight to your email. Let me know if you have any questions or comments.